2025 has been a groundbreaking year for humanoid robotics, with rapid advancements in AI, dexterity, and real-world deployment pushing these machines closer to science fiction than ever before. From Tesla's Optimus folding laundry and running smoothly, to Figure's latest models tackling household chores, Boston Dynamics' Electric Atlas mastering dynamic movements, and emerging stars like Unitree G1 and Agility Robotics Digit entering factories and homes, these robots are no longer just prototypes. They're walking, talking, and working alongside us, revolutionizing industries, assisting in daily life, and redefining what's possible. In this video, we'll count down the most innovative humanoid robots of 2025, showcasing their incredible capabilities, cutting-edge features, and what they mean for our future. Buckle up. This is the dawn of the robot era. AgiBot, a Shanghai-based Chinese robotics company founded in 2023, has emerged as a leader in embodied intelligence by mass-producing over 5,000 advanced humanoid robots in 2025, including models like the Yuanjing A2 and Ling X2, which are deployed in industrial manufacturing, service tasks, entertainment, and logistics with cutting-edge AI for dexterous manipulation and real-world adaptability. The AgiBot Genie G2, developed by Shanghai-based AgiBot and launched in October 2025, is a wheeled humanoid robot standing 175 centimeters tall and weighing 55 kilograms, featuring dual 7-degree of freedom force-controlled arms with a 5-kilogram payload each, a world's first cross-shaped wrist for delicate manipulation, and an omnidirectional platform reaching speeds up to 7 kilometers per hour. Powered by the proprietary Genie Operator 1 embodied foundation model, using a vision language latent action architecture, it enables on-device AI for multimodal interaction, real-time decision-making, and tasks like object recognition, guided tours, and precise industrial operations. With dual hot swappable batteries for 24/7 operation, 360-degree perception sensors, and early deployments, including a near 1,000-unit order for factory use, the G2 exemplifies China's rapid push toward practical, scalable embodied intelligence in manufacturing and service sectors. AgiBot's A2 proves power doesn't need a big budget in 2026. This 175 centimeters, 55-kilogram modular bot costs under $10,000 and ships 5,000 units in 2025 alone. Its AIM-RT framework and Go-1 foundation model process multimodal inputs for precision tasks like unpacking deliveries or 3C assembly. With 20-plus degrees of freedom and L for autonomy, AgiBot's A2 threads needles and navigates dynamic warehouses. Deployed in 10-plus industries, including Fulin factories, AgiBot's ecosystem will challenge global leaders in 2026 with sheer scale and affordability. AgiBot's Ling X2, launched March 2025, is a 1.3-meter, 34-kilogram bipedal humanoid with 28 to 31 degrees of freedom, powered by the Go-1 AI model for agile walking, running, dancing, cycling, and even gymnastic flips. It features real-time perception, expressive emotional interaction, self-charging, and zero-shot task learning, with viral demos showing human-like fluency, priced from $13,800 to $55,000. The X2 targets education, healthcare, security, and home use, marking a leap in affordable, expressive consumer humanoids. The AgiBot Ling X2 humanoid robot demonstrates impressive dancing skills, performing fluid, human-like movements with excellent balance, rhythm, and joint coordination in various routines, from pop hits to cultural dances like the lion dance. Powered by advanced AI and tools like the LinkCraft platform, it can quickly learn and replicate complex choreography from simple video inputs, showcasing remarkable agility and expressiveness that rivals top competitors in the field. Kepler Robotics K2 brings exploration-grade autonomy to humanoids in 2026. At 5 feet 9 inches and 140 pounds, the K2 uses dual 7-degree of freedom arms and Kepler's proprietary Forerunner AI to navigate unmapped terrain. Think disaster zones or lunar analogs. Its 3D LiDAR and thermal imaging suite enables night operations, while a 4-hour swappable battery supports extended missions. Trained on 50,000 hours of teleoperated data, K2 can climb rubble, open doors, and relay live feeds to first responders. With NASA analog tests in 2025 and commercial pilots starting mid-2026, the K2 is the rugged scout humanity needs for extreme environments. Kepler Robotics K2 Bumblebee humanoid robot has been deployed on actual production lines, demonstrating autonomous navigation across factory floors, stable execution of tasks such as component loading and unloading, and rapid setup via the Kepler Studio platform. The robot's industrial-grade design supports up to 8 hours of continuous operation after just 1 hour of charging, making it suitable for demanding manufacturing environments. Recent reports confirm Kepler's mass production of the K2 model began in late 2025, with early deployments including automotive plants like SAIC GM, where it handles quality checks, assembly, and material handling, backed by strategic investments from partners such as Xiaofeng. While Xpeng recently unveiled its second-generation humanoid robot named Iron at the 2025 AI Day event in Guangzhou, featuring a highly anthropomorphic design with a humanoid spine, bionic muscles, flexible skin, and fluid movements. This next-gen Iron, powered by 3 in-house Turing AI chips, delivering 2,250 TOPS of computing power and all solid-state batteries, aims for mass production by the end of 2026, with initial applications in retail and internal company roles. Xpeng's Iron is the lifelike factory soldier of 2026. At 178 centimeters and 70 kilograms, Gen 3 features a bionic spine, synthetic skin, and 22-degree of freedom hands for natural conversation and walking. 3 Turing chips deliver 2,250 TOPS via VLA 2.0 for L3 autonomy. Solid-state batteries power 6-hour shifts in inspections and assembly. Beijing, November 18, 2025. The Iron humanoid robot walked onto the stage with such strikingly human-like gait and balance that the audience erupted in gasps and speculation. To dispel immediate rumors of a hidden pilot inside, staff promptly sliced open the fabric covering the robot's legs with scissors, revealing only mechanical joints and wiring beneath as Iron continued walking unfazed. With Guangzhou trials and biosteel partnerships, mass production begins April 2026. Backed by $14 billion investment, Iron will flood factories and stores.
Xpeng will start mass production of the Iron humanoid robot in April 2026. Large-scale sales are planned by the end of 2026. At first, iron will work in factories doing tasks like assembly, sorting, transport, and inspection. Testing is already happening at Xpeng's Guangzhou plant and with partner Baosteel. Xpeng is opening the robot's SDK software kit to developers around the world so they can create new uses, such as shop assistants or museum guides. The company wants to sell 1 million iron robots per year by 2030 and plans to invest up to $13.8 billion over the next 20 years to turn iron into a helper for both factories and homes.
Robot Era's Star 1 is the modular speed demon of 2026. At 171 centimeters tall, with 55 degrees of freedom, it hits 3.6 meters per second, the fastest bipedal humanoid, thanks to 400 newton meters torque joints and ERA 42 end-to-end AI. Its X-Hand 112 DUF grippers use chopsticks with ease, while swappable modules adapt it for logistics, entertainment, or home care. Priced at $15,000 and desert tested for 8 miles per hour endurance, Star 1 is set for mass production. In 2026, expect fleets in warehouses and theme parks, where adaptability meets velocity. In mid-2025, Robot Era introduced 2 groundbreaking humanoid robots to its lineup. The L7, launched in July, quickly claimed the title of the world's fastest full-size bipedal humanoid at 14.4 kilometers per hour, standing 171 centimeters tall with 55 degrees of freedom, highly dexterous 12 degree of freedom hands, and the ERA 42 AI brain that powered impressive running, dancing, and industrial tasks like sorting and screw fastening.
Beijing-based Robot Era launched the world's first end-to-end visual language action humanoid system for real-world warehouses on November 21, 2025. Its full-size bipedal robot StarAct L7, equipped with a flexible 3 DUF waist and 12 DUF dexterous hands, autonomously picks, scans, and boxes mixed items, solving the flexible picking bottleneck that slows traditional systems during peak seasons. Powered by Robotera's ERA 42 model and direct WMS integration, the solution is already deployed and designed for fast, scalable rollout across logistics operations.
Earlier, in June, Robot Era had unveiled the service-oriented Q5, a wheeled humanoid distinguished by its slim, tiny waist design, 44 degrees of freedom, including 11 degrees of freedom hands, multilingual emotional interaction, and teleoperation support tailored for retail, hospitality, and healthcare environments. GAC's humanoid robot has been deployed at Wanshengwei Station on the Guangzhou Metro, where it serves as a safety guide, directing passengers, reminding them not to walk against the flow, and educating them on security check procedures and prohibited items to enhance station safety and efficiency. This deployment represents a real-world application of GAC's embodied intelligent robotics technology, injecting advanced AI-driven assistance into public transportation amid rapid advancements in humanoid robots by Chinese automakers. Building on earlier generations, GAC's latest GoMate model, unveiled in late 2024 with innovative variable wheel-foot structures for better adaptability, is poised for broader uses in security, elderly care, and industrial scenarios, with small-scale production planned for 2026. Sanctuary AI's Phoenix, now produced in China via a joint venture, scales haptic intelligence in 2026. Standing 5 feet 7 inches and weighing 155 pounds, Phoenix lifts 55 pounds with 20 doof hands that sense 3 grams of force. Its carbon AI translates natural language into physical actions, allowing it to stock shelves, fold laundry, or assist in hospitals. With over 500 tasks mastered across 12 industries and a $90,000 price tag, Phoenix is already in Magna and Canadian Tire pilots. By 2026, China's manufacturing muscle will push Phoenix into thousands of retail and logistics sites, solving labor shortages with touch. Kawasaki's Kido redefines industrial versatility in 2026. This 1.75-meter bot switches between bipedal and quadrupedal modes, slashing energy use by 80% with variable wheeled feet. Its Fig Slam navigation achieves centimeter precision in factories, while heat-resistant joints handle welding and grinding. Powered by all-solid-state batteries for 6-hour shifts, Kido is in GAC pilots for Trumpchi assembly lines. Small-scale production begins in 2026, with Kawasaki targeting 1,000 units for automotive and heavy industry. Japan's answer to flexible manufacturing. Kawasaki's newly unveiled Kido 9 marks a major step forward in the company's long-running humanoid robotics program, debuting at IREX 2025 with a focus on practical, real-world assistance rather than showmanship. Building on nearly a decade of development, the ninth-generation platform integrates upgraded mobility, stronger manipulation, and improved sensing systems to operate reliably in human environments. Designed at human scale, Kido 9 is engineered for tasks ranging from industrial labor to disaster response, reflecting Japan's growing need for robots that can safely support aging workforces and hazardous operations. While challenges in power, agility, and real-world deployment remain, Kawasaki's commitment to iterative development and industry partnerships positions Kido 9 as a meaningful bridge between advanced research and everyday robotic usefulness. Forier's GR3 is the third-generation mass-produced marvel of 2026. At 175 centimeters and 63 kilograms, it boasts 53 degrees of freedom and 12 DOF hands with 6 tactile arrays for human-level finesse. Peak joint torques of 380 newton-meters enable agile dancing and heavy lifting, while a 2-hour detachable battery supports continuous operation. Trained in NVIDIA, Isaac Jim, GR3 masters locomotion and cognition for factories and homes. Priced under $20,000, 2026 will see GR3 in thousands of caregiving and assembly roles, making dexterity affordable. In April 2025, Forier Intelligence launched the N1, the world's first fully open-source humanoid robot, providing complete hardware blueprints, BOM, CAD files, assembly guides, and software code on GitHub to democratize access for developers and researchers. The compact N1 stands 1.3 meters tall, weighs 38 kilograms, features 23 degrees of freedom with proprietary FSA 2.0 actuators, achieves running speeds up to 3.5 meters per second, and offers over 2 hours of battery life after extensive real-world testing. As the flagship of Forier's Nexus Open ecosystem, the N1 aims to accelerate embodied AI innovation by lowering R&D barriers, much like open-source software transformed computing, and targets community-driven applications, beyond the company's prior industrial GR series humanoids.
Holiday Robotics unveiled Friday its first wheeled humanoid robot on November 3, 2025, as a 176 centimeters tall, 115 kilograms platform with 63 degrees of freedom, designed for dexterous industrial tasks like assembly, logistics, and research. The robot's standout 20-2F hands weigh just 500 grams each, support 5 kilograms payloads per finger, and feature full tactile sensors, with up to 1900 Hz refresh rates, and 0.05 in sensitivity for precise, compliant grasping of delicate objects. Its 7-2F arms handle up to 20 kilograms payloads in close range, while the 7-2F torso and mobile base enable speeds of 1.9 meters per second, with obstacle avoidance and 24/7 operation, via hot-swappable batteries. Powered by Vision Language Skill AI and Holiday Sim for simulation to real transfer, Friday prioritizes hand dexterity over bipedal walking to address factory automation needs, with pricing estimated in the low six figures.
Neura's 4NE1 is Europe's safest collaborator in 2026. Standing 180 centimeters and weighing 80 kilograms, it carries 15 kilograms at 3 kilometers per hour with patent-pending touchless human detection that senses people through clothing. Force torque sensors offer 0.1 Newton sensitivity for delicate tasks like ironing or sandwich prep. Its Neuraverse platform enables real-time adaptation in multiple languages via voice and gesture. With exchangeable forearms and eco-friendly build, 4NE1 is in warehouse and home pilots. In 2026, it will set the standard for cognitive cobots that truly fit for anyone.
Neura Robotics opened the world's first large-scale physical AI training center, Neura Gym, in Metzingen, Germany, on October 14, 2025, with a second location launched in Hangzhou, China, just 2 days later. The 800-square-meter facility allows hundreds of robots, including Neura's 4NE1 humanoid, to collect real-world interaction data through everyday tasks, while the connected Neuraverse cloud combines this physical data with synthetic simulations to train transferable AI skills deployable instantly across all partner robots. Companies can book training space in Neura Gym to develop custom applications with Neura trainers or their own teams, supported by partnerships with NVIDIA and SAP, as the company scales the concept worldwide, following a €120 million funding round. Clone Robotics unveiled Clone Alpha in December 2024, the world's first humanoid robot with synthetic human anatomy, 206 artificial bones, polymer muscles powered by water and a hydraulic vascular system that mimics real biology. The upper body alone has 164 degrees of freedom, including highly detailed shoulders, spine, and 26-2F hands, allowing lifelike, fluid motion far beyond traditional rigid robots. Designed as a lightweight home companion, it can learn chores, hold natural conversations, and is available for pre-order in a limited run of 279 Alpha Edition units. Zhejiang Humanoid Robot Innovation Center unveiled the Navii i3 humanoid robot in November 2025. The robot is positioned as the third-generation model designed to revolutionize security applications, with its 1.8-meter height and robust build for patrolling and surveillance duties. Building on predecessors like the Navii Navigator 2, The i3 incorporates advanced AI for boundary-breaking perception and response, enabling it to protect the future through real-time environmental analysis and human-like interaction in dynamic settings. The robot's training demonstrations highlight its potential as the security guard of the future, featuring agile mobility, obstacle detection, and adaptive behaviors tailored for urban and industrial protection scenarios.
The Navi-A humanoid robot recently showcased its ability to perform everyday household tasks like cleaning and ironing with impressive precision. In a live demonstration, the robot efficiently carried out cleaning tasks, such as wiping surfaces and sweeping, using its highly dexterous hands and AI-powered vision system. It navigated obstacles and adapted to the environment in real time, highlighting its potential for everyday household chores. The robot also demonstrated ironing skills, adjusting the temperature to suit different fabrics and ensuring flawless execution. Its fine motor control allowed it to handle delicate materials with precision, showing its versatility for both home and professional use. This demonstration highlights the Navi-A robot's growing capabilities and marks a significant step toward practical applications in home automation and beyond. The Zhejiang Humanoid Robot Innovation Center continues to refine the platform with plans for further industrial deployment in the coming years. Engineered Arts Ameca is the expressive face of social robotics in 2026. Gender-neutral and 5 feet 9 inches tall, Ameca uses 27 facial actuators and GPT-4 integration for lifelike, non-threatening conversations. Binocular cameras and chest sensors enable facial recognition and emotional mirroring in retail or therapy settings. With 50-plus units shipped to 27 countries and $16.2 million in funding, Ameca's Gen 3, unveiled at ICRA 2025, adds modular limbs. Virtual robot software accelerates animation prototyping. In 2026, Ameca will dominate customer service and education with charm. Figures 03 masters autonomy in 2026 with in-house Helix AI, trained on 80 hours of video data. At 5 feet 6 inches, it folds clothes, loads dishwashers, and generalizes to thousands of items via language commands. Tactile sensing detects 3 grams, while wireless charging supports 5-hour shifts. BotQ factory targets 12,000 units annually at $15,000 to $20,000 leases. With BMW trials and multi-robot collaboration, Figure 03 will enter homes and factories in 2026, redefining general-purpose robotics. Launched in October and named one of Time's best inventions of 2025, Figure 03 nailed domestic tasks, like folding clothes and loading dishwashers with minimal help. Optimized for mass production and powered by the Helix AI, it featured better sensors, safer design, and costs dropping fast, signaling big jumps toward everyday robots. On December 4, 2025, Figure AI's founder Brett Adcock shared a captivating short video on social media, showcasing the Figure 03 humanoid robot in action, demonstrating its ability to accelerate, run dynamically with both feet off the ground, execute sharp turns, and decelerate smoothly. The footage, which has rapidly gone viral among tech enthusiasts, highlights the robot's remarkably human-like gait, complete with coordinated arm swings and fluid pivoting that eliminates any mechanical stiffness, clocking in at a top speed of about 2.7 miles per hour. This milestone not only positions Figure 03 as a leader in agile humanoid locomotion, but also sparks discussions on its potential for real-world applications in homes and warehouses, blurring the line between machine and human movement. Agility's Digit dominates warehouses in 2026. With reverse-jointed legs, this 175-centimeter bot lifts 35 pounds and integrates with AMRS via Arc Cloud Management. RoboFab produces 10,000 units yearly, with Amazon and GXO pilots proving ROI. AI sensors navigate tight aisles, while backward knees climb stairs and reach shelves. $400 million in funding fuels expansion into retail and manufacturing. In 2026, Digit will be the bot earning its keep 24/7. One X's Neo is the consumer king of 2026. At 5 feet 6 inches, Neo automates chores, companionship, and security with Redwood AI. It lifts heavy items, learns routines via voice, and operates at 22 decibels, quiet enough for homes. Soft, washable skin ensures safety around kids and pets. Pre-orders open at $20,000 or $499 per month, with U.S. shipments starting 2026. Privacy zones and face blurring build trust. Neo is the bot you'll want in your living room. 1X blew minds when they unveiled Redwood, an AI foundation model trained on real-world household data. Their Neo robot suddenly became way more independent, handling tasks like folding laundry, navigating homes, and even answering the door autonomously. This was a huge step toward robots that learn like us, without needing constant human oversight.
Two Mentee Bot V3 humanoids, from Mentee Robotics, have demonstrated fully autonomous warehouse logistics. With no teleoperation, the robots locate, pick, and transport boxes from uneven stacks of varying heights, then accurately place them across multiple storage racks. The task showcases stable and dexterous manipulation, precise navigation in cluttered spaces, and reliable real-time decision-making, entirely driven by the robot's onboard AI and vision systems.
Spirit AI, a Hangzhou-based robotics startup founded in 2024, has developed the Moz humanoid robot, also known as Xiaomo or Moz 1, a general-purpose machine powered by advanced vision language action models for complex manipulation tasks. In December 2025, battery giant CATL announced the world's first large-scale deployment of Moz robots on its production lines, where they perform high-precision operations such as inserting high-voltage connectors and conducting quality inspections, with over 99% success rates. This milestone highlights the rapid progress in embodied AI, enabling the robots to adapt in real time to environmental variations and match or exceed the efficiency of skilled human workers in demanding industrial settings. Deep Robotics, a Chinese company renowned for its quadruped robots, unveiled the DR02 in October 2025 as the world's first industrial-grade humanoid robot with a full-body IP66 protection rating, enabling reliable operation in all weather conditions, including rain, dust, and extreme temperatures, from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The DR02 features a highly anthropomorphic design, standing 175 centimeters tall, with advanced capabilities such as a walking speed of up to 4 meters per second, obstacle navigation, and a 275 TOPS computing unit supported by multi-sensor perception for real-time environmental adaptation. With its modular quick-replace components for easy maintenance and focus on practical industrial applications like patrols, inspections, and logistics, the DR02 aims to overcome traditional limitations of humanoid robots in harsh, unstructured environments. Deep Robotics DR02 has recently been demonstrated performing graceful Tai Chi sequences and dynamic martial arts-inspired movements, highlighting its exceptional balance, fluidity, and joint coordination. These viral videos, released in late December 2025, showcase the robot transitioning seamlessly from slow, precise Tai Chi flows to more energetic actions, impressing viewers with its human-like agility and stability in complex motions. UBTECH's Walker S2 redefines home assistance in 2026. Upgraded with 52 degrees of freedom and dexterous hands, it pours coffee, cleans, and supports the elderly. BrainNet 2.0 fuses dual RGB vision for multimodal reasoning. Autonomous 3-minute battery swaps enable 24/7 operation. 500 to 1,000 units ship to BYD and Foxconn in 2025, with global consumer launch in 2026. Walker S2 is China's domestic darling gone worldwide. UBTECH dominated with massive contracts, including a $37 million deal for border security. Their upgraded Walker S2 shone in industrial settings, proving humanoids can handle tough, repetitive jobs 24/7. This marked one of the biggest actual deployments of humanoids in 2025, showing scalability is finally happening. Unitree's G1 is the agile underdog of 2026. At 127 to 132 centimeters tall and $16,000, this 43DOF bot performs parkour, kip-ups, and stable walking with 3D LiDAR navigation. A 9,000 mAh swappable battery lasts 2 hours, while imitation learning frameworks like SOFTA enable rapid skill acquisition. Named Time's Best Invention 2025, G1 targets education, research, and light industry. Mass production in 2026 will make advanced robotics accessible to all. On October 29, 2025, the X account at Job to Rob posted a viral video showing the Unitree G1 humanoid robot autonomously pulling a car weighing approximately 1,400 kilograms. The compact robot, which stands only 1.32 meters tall and weighs just 35 kilograms, used the advanced Thor whole-body control system developed by BAI to crouch, gain traction, and steadily drag the sedan backward. This impressive demonstration of a humanoid exerting strength roughly 40 times its own body weight amazed viewers and underscored the rapid progress in reinforcement learning-based robotics during 2025. On November 14, 2025, Mind One Robotics released a fully autonomous demo of its Mind-On AI brain on the $16,000 Unitree G1 humanoid. With zero teleoperation or speed-up, the compact robot naturally waters plants, cleans mattresses, organizes clutter, wipes counters, and handles everyday chores with impressive human-like fluency. The viral video signals that practical household humanoids are shifting from sci-fi to near reality in late 2025. The Unitree G1 humanoid robot has been turning heads on urban streets worldwide. From content creator Kai Cenat's viral stroll in New York, where it greeted surprised pedestrians with fluid waves, to a customized Jake the Rizbot version, flaunting pride gear and charming crowds in West Hollywood. Spotted in Austin and San Francisco for interactive demos, as well as Detroit's robot battle promotions, the affordable G1's lifelike gait and engaging antics are sparking excitement about everyday humanoid integration. Swiss startup Flexion Robotics raised $50 million on November 21, 2025, to build an Android-like autonomy OS for humanoid robots. In its first public demo, Flexion equipped a standard Unitree G1 with its software, enabling the robot to autonomously hike through rugged forest terrain in the Swiss Alps. A viral video captured a humanoid robot named Zion walking along 7 Mile Road in Detroit, surprising locals who compared it to RoboCop and prompting a news investigation by WXYZ TV Channel 7. The robot, owned by Art Cartwright of the Interactive Combat League, was harmlessly promoting an upcoming family-friendly Robo-War event on July 19th, aimed at showcasing robotic combat and teaching advanced technology to youth. In a groundbreaking performance during Chinese-American pop star Wang Liham's Best Place Tour concert at the Chengdu Dongguan Lake Sports Park Multifunctional Gymnasium on December 19, 2025, 6 Unitree G1 humanoid robots took the stage as backup dancers. Dressed in shimmering silver outfits, the robots synchronized perfectly with human performers and the singer during the high-energy track Open Fire. Their routine featured precise arm swings, leg kicks, beat-matched choreography, and a spectacular synchronized Webster flip that left the 18,000-strong audience in awe. This was no CGI illusion, pre-scripted animation, or lab-controlled demo. These were real humanoid robots operating untethered in a live, high-stakes public environment alongside humans. The Unitree G1, developed by the Hangzhou-based company Unitree Robotics, stands at approximately 1.3 meters tall, weighs just 35 kilograms, and offers between 23 and 43 degrees of freedom, delivering human-like flexibility essential for fluid dancing, rapid footwork, and dynamic acrobatics. Despite its compact size, the robot delivers impressive performance. Speeds up to 2 meters per second, peak joint torque reaching 120 Newton meters, and a 9,000 milliamp-hour battery, providing roughly 2 hours of continuous operation. At its core, the G1 features an 8-core high-performance CPU with optional upgrades to NVIDIA Jetson Orin modules for advanced AI processing. It supports imitation learning and reinforcement learning, allowing it to acquire complex behaviors like synchronized group choreography through training, not rigid pre-programming. Equipped with 3D LiDAR, depth cameras, and force position hybrid control systems, The robot maintains exceptional balance, perceives its surroundings in real time, and handles objects weighing 2 to 3 kilograms per arm. The Chengdu concert appearance has gone massively viral, earning praise even from Elon Musk, who reposted footage on X with the caption "impressive." It marks a significant step in humanoid robotics, proving these machines are no longer restricted to research labs. They are confidently entering creative public spaces, learning intricate movements, and performing alongside humans with remarkable precision. At the 100th showing of the classical Chinese dance drama Tiangong Keiwu, the Unitree G1 showcased its impressive kung fu moves and dance skills. If that wasn't impressive enough, the Unitree G1 humanoid robots have also demonstrated their remarkable dance skills by performing synchronized routines alongside trainees at top-class international idol school. This showcase highlights the robot's fluid movements and precision, blending cutting-edge robotics with idol-style choreography for a truly captivating display. A YouTube video uploaded on November 13, 2025, highlights the impressive agility of Unitree's humanoid robots, featuring the compact G1 and the newer R1 models executing their signature dynamic moves with fluid precision. The demonstration emphasizes advancements in balance, coordination, and motion control, captivating viewers with the robot's human-like performances in a controlled setting. Engine AI PM01, Ling X Dynamics Oli, and AgiBot 2 also participated here, adding to the exciting showcase of cutting-edge humanoid robotics from various manufacturers.
Engineers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology have enhanced the capabilities of the G1 humanoid robot, developed by Chinese robotics company Unitree, by integrating a new control system known as AMMO, Adaptive Motion Optimization. This advanced whole-body motion control method is designed for highly agile humanoids, allowing G1 to perform realistic, stable movements in real time. In a demonstration video, the G1 robot showcases its ability to handle a range of everyday household tasks with impressive precision. Using the AMMO system, it independently rises from the floor, delicately picks up objects, including dishes and small items, and places them into cabinets. It rearranges pillows, maintains balance while walking through domestic spaces, and can even deliver letters or small packages. The robot interacts seamlessly with its environment, opening doors, placing items on shelves, and organizing belongings with care, without dropping or damaging them. These capabilities mark a significant step forward in real-world robotic applications.
Unitree Robotics officially launched its H2 humanoid robot, marketed under the name Destiny Awakening, in October 2025, introducing a 1.8-meter-tall, 70-kilogram full-size platform built with aircraft-grade materials for use in research, education, and civilian settings. The company states that the H2 incorporates 31 degrees of freedom, powered by high torque, low inertia, permanent magnet, synchronous motors, capable of delivering up to 360 Newton-meters in the legs and 120 Newton-meters in the arms, enabling dynamic maneuvers, including spins, martial arts movements, and precise object handling. Equipped with a 2070 TOPS onboard computing chip, a 15 amp-hour lithium battery providing up to 3 hours of runtime, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, the robot is designed to run advanced AI models and support a wide range of intelligent applications. Unitree is offering the H2 in standard and EDU configurations with direct sale pricing starting at approximately $29,900, while stressing that the platform is intended for safe, non-hazardous operation, and explicitly warning against dangerous modifications. The Unitree R1 is a compact humanoid robot developed by Unitree Robotics, standing about 1.2 meters tall and weighing around 25 kilograms, making it highly portable and suitable for educational and research environments. Priced starting at approximately $5,900, it is one of the most affordable, full-featured humanoid robots available, aimed at developers, educators, and researchers to accelerate AI and robotics experimentation. It demonstrates impressive agility with up to 26 degrees of freedom, capable of performing dynamic actions like running, cartwheels, handstands, and simulated boxing, while integrating multimodal AI for voice and image processing. Beijing-based Noix Robotics unveiled its latest humanoid service robot, the Hobbs W1, in mid-December 2025, describing it as the company's most human-like design to date and a professional scene all-rounder. The robot features a lifelike, female-styled bionic head with expressive facial movements, an interactive chest-mounted screen, dexterous hands with 6 degrees of freedom, and 5 2F arms, capable of natural gestures and object manipulation, designed primarily for indoor professional environments, such as hospitality, retail, and corporate offices. The Hobbs W1 offers autonomous navigation, emotion recognition, natural conversation capabilities, and receptionist duties to assist rather than replace human staff. Noix Robotics, a Beijing-based startup, unveiled its Boomie humanoid robot in October 2025 as the world's most affordable consumer-grade model, priced at just $1,370 for a 94-centimeter-tall, 12-kilogram frame designed for home and educational use. The robot showcases impressive capabilities, including bipedal walking, fluid dancing, and voice interaction, powered by lightweight composite materials and a self-developed motion control system with 21 joints. Boomie's open programming interface encourages creativity and learning, marking a milestone in democratizing robotics by selling hundreds of units within days of launch and signaling a shift toward mass market adoption. Aptronix Apollo is the industrial workhorse of 2026. At 5 feet 8 inches and 160 pounds, it lifts 55 pounds with force-controlled precision in BMW and Mercedes pilots. 8 design iterations yield 32 actuators for repetitive tasks without fatigue. Google AI enhances navigation in human spaces. With $403 million in funding and production scaling to 100-plus units yearly at under $50,000, Apollo is expanding into construction and retail. In 2026, it will prove humanoids can thrive in legacy factories. Google dropped game changers like Gemini Robotics 1.5 and Genie 3 world models. These let AI agents control robots in both physical and simulated worlds, advancing general-purpose capabilities. It was a massive boost for reasoning, planning, and adapting to unpredictable environments.
We're finalizing the design of Optimus version 3, and that really is going to be a very remarkable robot. It will have essentially the manual dexterity of a human, so meaning a very complex hand, an AI mind that can navigate and comprehend reality, and it will be made in very high volume.
Humanoid robots will be the biggest industry, or the biggest product ever
people often talk about sort of eliminating poverty and that kind of thing, but really how long have they been talking about that? But AI and humanoid robots will actually eliminate poverty.
Tesla's Optimus Gen 2.5 bridges factory and home in 2026. At 5 feet 8 inches and 125 pounds, it carries 45 pounds with 22 DOF hands trained via end-to-end neural nets. Grok AI enables voice interaction, while 4,680 batteries power autonomy. Tesla targets 100,000 units at $20,000 to $30,000, with prototypes shipping late 2025. From folding laundry to Mars missions, Optimus Gen 2.5 is Musk's army in motion. Tesla showcased huge leaps in dexterity, smooth running at near-human speeds, and factory testing. With limited production ramping up and plans for thousands more, viral demos of Optimus balancing, manipulating objects, and navigating pushed it closer to practical use in Tesla plants and potentially homes. In May 2025, Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 robot delivered an impressive display of advancement, smoothly performing a remarkably human-like dance routine that had been trained entirely through simulation and reinforcement learning. The video highlighted the third-generation model's standout features, including hands with 22 degrees of freedom for exceptional dexterity and strikingly natural, fluid motion, marking a major milestone in successfully transferring complex behaviors from virtual training to real-world execution. In November 2025, Elon Musk joyfully danced on stage with Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot at the company's annual shareholder meeting in Austin, Texas, celebrating the approval of his massive performance-based pay package worth up to $1 trillion.
In a groundbreaking demo on December 2, 2025, Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 humanoid robot demonstrated human-like fluidity in a video uploaded by former Tesla supply chain leader Farzad Mesbahi. Building on its 2021 debut, Optimus uses neural networks from Tesla's full self-driving tech for real-time AI control and dexterous hands with 11 degrees of freedom. Upcoming Gen 3 prototypes in Q1 2026 will feature 22 degrees for more intricate tasks. Tesla plans to deploy thousands of units in factories by late 2026 at under $20,000 each, targeting manufacturing, logistics, and elder care, with millions annually by decade's end, sparking mind-blowing discussions on X about autonomous physical AI.
The PND Botics Atom humanoid robot showcases advanced dancing skills, impressing audiences with synchronized performances, including an electrifying dance battle alongside its counterpart Atom U at the 2025 World Artificial Intelligence Conference. Leveraging motion capture, imitation learning, and precise biomimetic actuators, Atom delivers fluid, human-like movements in complex routines, such as the challenging Charleston dance, highlighting its exceptional agility and coordination.